Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. PocketFi X Tons Takers, a game-changing partnership with exclusive airdrop opportunities. Big news for blockchain enthusiasts. PocketFi has teamed up with Tons Takers to unveil a brand new airdrop section on the PocketFi platform. This exciting feature offers users exclusive tasks, incredible rewards, and enhanced mining capabilities. Together, PocketFi and Tons Takers are redefining how users engage with blockchain projects by creating opportunities to earn and interact with top-tier initiatives. This collaboration marks a significant step forward in PocketFi's mission to provide value to its users while fostering meaningful connections within the blockchain community. Let's dive into all the details and discover how this partnership can benefit you. What's new? The airdrop section is here. The much-awaited airdrop section is now live and ready for action. With this new feature, users can complete engaging tasks, participate in fun, easy-to-follow tasks from leading blockchain projects, earn exclusive rewards, unlock valuable rewards by simply engaging with the PocketFi platform, boost $Switch mining speed, complete tasks to increase your mining efficiency and earn more $Switch tokens faster. This is more than just a reward system. It's a gateway to discovering exciting blockchain projects and becoming an active part of the growing crypto ecosystem. Why this partnership is a big deal. The collaboration between PocketFi and Tons Takers is a game changer for users. Here's what makes this partnership so impactful. Exclusive collaboration tasks. With Tons Takers on board, the airdrop section features hand-picked tasks from some of the most innovative blockchain projects. These tasks are designed to introduce users to new platforms while rewarding them generously for their participation. Increased user engagement. PocketFi is doubling down on its commitment to keeping users engaged. By offering exciting challenges and rewards, the platform creates a dynamic experience that keeps users coming back for more. Tailored experiences. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned pro, the partnership ensures that the tasks and rewards are accessible, relevant, and rewarding for everyone. Community growth. Both PocketFi and Tons Takers share a vision of building a strong, vibrant blockchain community. This collaboration is a step toward creating a space where users and projects can thrive together. What's in it for users? Unlock tasks, rewards, and more. At the heart of this partnership is the opportunity for users to unlock exclusive tasks and rewards. Here's how it works. Discover new projects. Tasks in the airdrop section are curated from top blockchain initiatives, giving users a chance to explore the latest innovations in the crypto space. Earn rewards. Completing tasks doesn't just help the projects, it rewards users with valuable tokens and benefits. Boost mining speeds. By engaging with the airdrop section, users can enhance their $Switch